All right, my collectives. Today's message is from the divine, the wisdom that you might need at the moment. So the first card that I'm seeing immediately is the strawberry moon we've just seen on 29th of June. The coincidence kind of giving a message here. So let's just get the divine wisdom that needs to go to you today. Whenever you're going to land on this reading, I would suggest claim it by liking it and writing in the comments strawberry moon. It would help the energies to know that you claim the energies that are coming to you. Nevertheless, the reading is yours. Of course, this is a timeless reading, but it is evidential that we've just encountered a strawberry moon. If you land on this reading some other time of the year or some other year, understand that it is still a timeless reading. It has been channeled through. I am seeing that you're being asked that God can see, divine can see, universe can see how difficult it has been a journey for you. You have been taking care of relationships, family, responsibility so gracefully and getting a feel of it that the weight is unbearable. It has been a very difficult journey. You've been working up and down. You're trying to keep your family safe is something I'm seeing. So if you are a family person or you have family responsibilities, you have siblings to take care of, or you have children to take care of, or you have your professional family to take care of, whatever it is, it can be a goal that you have been working upon. The goal can be a child to you. The idea can be a child to you, something that you have been working hard, working really dedicatedly towards, but most of it is something related to relationships is what I'm seeing very clearly. So you're being asked that you have been working so hard. The divine can see you've been trying to maintain your poise in whatever struggles you've gone through. You have that hope in your hands that yes, this is going to end and eventually the result is going to be positive. Yes, it might not be very clear at the moment. It might be very heavy, but let me just embrace everything that I'm going through at the moment because I know that the result is going to be benefiting everybody, including me. So that is what you have on your mind, and kudos to you because you've been going through all of this so gracefully. It has been so hard for you. Maybe some of you are working in shift, taking care of the family, trying to do things up and down, not taking care of, you're just ignoring and not paying attention to your particular needs. You're not letting yourself cry on things. You're not letting yourself be a crybaby on any event. So of course you've been very strong. You have taken care of everything very gracefully and responsibly. The universe wants to take away your burden now. So good news, of course. You have been managing all this in your way. Whatever responsibilities you had to take care of, you had made a way to work through them. It was a lot on a plate, but you did not let yourself overburdened by the look of it. You just kind of maneuvered it very smoothly. I'm seeing you very disciplined and structured. You made a structure to handle those responsibilities. So again, kudos. You have really done a great job. So now wisdom that universe wants to give you at the moment is that whatever you have done, universe appreciates and now wants you to just lighten up at the moment. Be a bit flexible about your expectations, your outcomes, and just wait for how things are manifesting. You have been holding tight on your idea of achievements, but universe wants you to be a bit flexible. Nevertheless, the result is just going to make you so delighted. You will be so relaxed, so happy about the results. Now